In this video you are going to learn how to repair worn down masonry drill bit and restore its previous shape. First step would be to define the correct plane which will be machined. To do so you need to place a drill bit vertically to the sandpaper, then tilt it sideways that full plane touches the surface of the sandpaper. Once done, from the right hand side you should see the following view. Now you need to tilt tool one more time and you get final position of the tool. Now your tool is placed correctly, and from the top you should see something like that. To start a manual repair process you need to find some kind of flat surface and a sandpaper. I used aluminum oxide sandpaper of grid size 180, but probably more coarse sandpaper could be used as well. Okay, now let's jump to practice. So let's take a tool, select right angle based on the rules provided before, and start grinding process. You might have a question how to maintain the equal pressure on the plane that whole surface would be grinded equally. So it's not so difficult as it might look, because you can easily control that with the pressure of your finger, as shown here. So the thickness of the line is the direct indicator of how well you maintain the plane. It is recommended time to time check how it's going and see if needs adjustment to your technique. In total you have 4 planes which need to be grinded, so you need to switch one after another until you get the expected result. It is also recommended to switch grinding pattern on sandpaper. That helps to distinguish fresh lines from the old ones. And now is the moment of truth. So all 4 surfaces are grinded. The result you can see here. I would say it is quite decent result, which you can get in less than 5 minutes. So if you like that, subscribe and share to support this video.